what that mode does is it makes it go slower, so that way the camera is able to actually get, because it's got a camera right on the front here, right on the front, right there. And as you can see, when I was talking about those sensors, it can tell when something's there, so that way it'll move away from that. So like when I go like this in the front, it'll tell me right there that there's something there. And so, like I said, then the normal mode is just it'll go a little bit faster. And then there's sport mode, which it actually will turn off all those sensors, which you have to be very careful with. And what it does is then it goes super fast. But you can't, with that mode, you have to be very careful because these are actually very delicate machines. If you were to crash it, they're not meant to be crashed. So the thing is when they do crash, you could damage some parts and stuff like that. You're always supposed to be able to have it land. So what I'm going to do is I'm just holding it down, and it'll